What's up, guys? It's your boy Alan here from Alan's Old School Garage. Today we're at the Sonneta Car Show. It looks like it's packed. Probably the biggest one they've ever had here. That we've been to, yeah. Let's check it out. LS in that C10. I like that.
Yeah.
With the patina, that's sweet.
Yeah, it is. A couple of patina trucks.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's my color.
Yeah.
Oh, that's James Weibel, right?
Yeah.
In the Cockerville truck? Nova? 250.
Dripping gas.
Oh yeah. It's only a little 6-cylinder.
Yep.
AMC right here. You don't see these too much at Javelin.
No. Dude, you want to know the fastest guy here?
What?
You want to know the fastest guy here? The owner of this Challenger if it starts to rain. Because that thing looks clean inside.
Yeah, it does.
Yep, he'll come and run and you'll know which guy he is.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You want the Challenger or the Charger?
The Charger looks like a 68, 69. Or 68 because I don't think 69 had that, right? 69 did not have that. 69 is the Dukes of Hazzard car. It had 2 in right here.
Okay.
It didn't have that.
This is Mopar row maybe.
Yeah.
What we got him?
6.
Big block with 2 4s?
Yeah.
AC. That's something cool.
Here's a 340 right here. Duster.
Oh yeah.
I like this car.
Yeah. Is this the one you sit in or no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful car.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the old school air freshener. Old school direct connection air freshener. You think? And the rat thing.
Yeah, that's cool.
Something to do with the distributor.
Here's a Challenger with a 340 in it.
Yeah. And a Barracuda.
Yeah.
Which one you want? From the Mopar lineup so far.
Between that Duster and that Charger, I don't know. They even got a little swap meet here.
I've been having it installed on me lately, but that's also to do with the choke and it being colder.
That's cool.
Oh, go look at the tires. Go ahead, go look at the tires. You can look at the
I think this is what they call a dent side Ford. I'm not good with Fords. 2000s SRT neon right here. Or it might only be RT. Intercooler on it. That's Fox body Mustang. Look, yeah, he has 2 LED lights behind his headlights.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. GTO. Square body with the step side. I'm looking for a 70s Dodge step side bed for my truck.
Just a bed.
Just a bed.
Okay.
I mean, the truck will work also if they give it to me, but.
Okay. Check that thing out.
The love bug.
Yeah, that's cool.
The dog's sweater even matches the vehicle.
Look at that. That's a Winnebago, huh? Or something like it. Yeah, that's cool.
Yo. Volkswagen.
That's
Chevy like my grandpa's. Corvette. This is cool.
Yeah,
Novocaine.
there used to be a car up the road from our house called Novocaine, but I think it was purple.
365 horsepower.
Gas or no?
Look at his traction bars. They're hanging low. The red tint glass,
I
that's
wonder
sweet.
what Poppy brought today, huh?
Oh, yeah, dude, brought his motor.
What kind of camera is it? Like, is it
It's a GoPro.
GoPro? Okay, sticking.
Comment down below which one would you guys take, the Hellcat or the Shelby. I'm taking the Hellcat any day.
Are you?
Look at the giant frog up there. That thing is huge.
He was at the Mother's Day Truckers Conference.
Oh yeah,
We actually have
that's unique.
Fire truck.
Look at the front glass in it.
and I go with
Looks like a mobile home trailer.
Yes.
750 gallons of water.
I know we've seen this Jeep
Corvette.
before, but it's really cool.
It is. Got the little bed.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind having it.
No. Drive around the backyard.
Cool little mini. You could put like a little mini bike in the back. That's about it.
Yeah.
Not even. It reminds me of like the old Renegades that had the little bed.
Yeah, yeah.
Grand National. I don't think they have the live band going yet, so I'm gonna have to talk over the music. So,
Luckily, you're like your mom and never stop talking, so that's all good.
yeah. Corvette. Trans Am right here.
Smoking the Bandit.
Yeah, Smokey the Bandit. That's cool. Bel Air. I like the Bel Airs.
Okay.
I think the only Chevys that I would own is a El Camino and a Bel Air.
What is your obsession with El Camino?
I have no clue. I just love an El Camino.
Nice dog you got. Yeah, he's talking to you. I think Janet, you get a bag. Oh boy.
This was at where was the last show we were at? The Oxford Auto. This is at the Oxford Auto show.
Okay.
It's on my channel. The Bel Air gassers are cool.
That's a cool looking car, huh?
Yeah, it
Old
is.
gasser.
Another. Oh my. That's a long car. I like this though. This is sick. It's 3-door. Or no, it's not 3-door. I don't know if this would have came factory like this or not, but this door doesn't open. That's
Look in
solid.
there.
Three-row seating, sunroof. That thing's sweet.
Yeah, it is.
This is a third-row seating also.
Yeah.
This is clean. Okay, I lied. I would own an Apache also. Only if it was come swap.
So this little corner folds, and then you can get to the back seats.
Wow. I can't see. I'm too short.
That's all right. You don't have to rush growing. It's LS swap, I think.
What?
Yeah, it's LS swap.
Oh wow, they did clean.
Yeah. Trans Am.
Yeah.
It's working on the road. cool color.
Yeah, it is. What's that? Like bronze brass something?
We got the Prowler.
Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I had to suppress the audio because the music was just playing too loud. But hopefully you still enjoy the video. Dang, the Challenger printing on the Mustang wheel? Me either.
Big block.
That's a sweet car, though.
Oh, they put the serpentine belt on a big block.
Wow.
Must be a kid of some sort.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool. What?
4-speed.
Oh, man.
It might be a 5-speed, maybe.
I would throw it in this thing.
Yeah.
Model A? Here's that electric volcano. We've seen this thing at
Yeah, it's hard fucking engine. It's great.
Dragway. It was fast.
With a 2-second 60.
This thing was
Because
really
we had these tires on it, and it's spinning off the line. It doesn't do it. Now, look at me. Take it down to EP3R.
This is like my favorite El Camino.
Yeah.
I just love how it's different and electric. It's so neat. I fell in love with this thing at Cecil County Dragway.
Yeah, that's the man right there.
Slow the video down if you want to read this.
So you drop your price, that's the only thing, then, you know? Got a motor? Lose some money.
Turbojet. Dang, this cutlass is pimp. Look at that, a Supreme. It couldn't get no crispier than that in the interior.
I'm wrong. Exactly. I had like a winter coat at the Uber. It's like this white, yellow, yellow, and it has like the fluffy stuff. It's like, I have to take it over the top. I might be warm, but I'm looking very. So I'll suck a little bit. Got the sweatshirt on, sweatshirt, pockets.
Firebird. Cockersville Fire Truck. Big Job Ford F800.
Pretty cool old truck, huh?
Yeah, it is. This thing was actually sitting locked up like a month ago or 2 months, couple months
This is
ago.
when they got ready for that parade.
Yeah, they got ready for like the 120th or something like that annual Cockersville Fire Truck fire thing.
Yeah.
Behind it.
Oh yeah, I guess
Here's our
they feel a little
old school
yeah.
El Camino,
Ours, it looks like a big one.
like a 50s El Camino.
What is it, 348 big? Okay. Yeah.
This is for,
Smallest one. Now they have big, smaller big blocks, don't they? Oh yeah.
look at them wings.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, them wings are sweet.
Me too. I'm going over here. Oh god.
Look, the dash says Impala. And the back end does look like an Impala.
It's El Camino.
Yeah.
They shared the same dash for a couple years before they changed the nameplate over on it.
C10. A Galaxy. You said this thing was a Mopar rolling in.
No. It
Sounded like one. Sort of, kind of.
I don't know what I said.
Yeah, me either. The 6.1 Heavy. The motor is backwards.
I don't know what it is.
It's a something.
Well,
It's a Mustang.
A Mach
Mach 4.
E4, but it's got a Hemi in it.
It's not a Mach-O. World's cheapest Hemi conversion. Check this out. Fire pit is made of a big excavator bucket. Ooh, that feels good. So Sonneta, they do like antiques and weird stuff is what they sell inside the building. Yeah, we might be able to take you in there. Like the boat bar, per se. Check. It's a cool Challenger. Mustang. I like that. I like the wheels. Corvette. Fox body. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, Polara? Like a 66 maybe? 60, 65? Some year around there. It's a Polara 500. Corvette. That smells nasty. The gator's gonna eat. Yeah.
So they have a whole bunch of stuff.
Look at this big anchor right here. I had this. Let's see, gear to power a bulldozer. Here's the coolest lineup here. I go crazy for them things. One time at Hill's auction, I waited. We almost got struck by lightning like 6 times to wait for one of them things to go off. It was the very last thing the whole day. Snapper sign? I'm looking for one of them snappers. Because just in two chassis, they'll be released all day. Bolins, that's so cool. Check out these little guys you can buy. Look at this thing. Spinning turret. Then it's got a little mini one in here. Jeez, that thing got some work into it. Oh, airplanes. Helicopters. That's cool. It's a cool wall right here. Look at them. Look at that big C-clamp on the wall.
I was like, dude, I was thinking the same thing.
Tractors over there.
Tractor. Let's go. Look at these old pedal cars up here. Horse saddles.
We're playing Christmas music. Is it too soon to play Christmas music?
No.
You got a mom and you already got a tree up. It's only what, November?
Yeah.
Not even Thanksgiving.
These little bikes here.
Lamp's cool.
Lamp.
I'll even know.
What's up, guys? Sonneta was a good car show as always. Tell me your favorite car in the comments. Mine was that electric El Camino. That was awesome. So if you ever get the chance to check out Sonneta, even if it isn't the car show day, that's a unique store. Everything is different than like Walmart or anything like that. It's way cooler. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.